Nigerian Genius.
My name is Samson Hekagimkosiemoju from Federal University Otuoke, Bayelsa State. I'm a student of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering 500 level.
My name is Rifani Vincent, 500 level student of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering, Federal University Otuoke.
My name is Udo Success, 500 level student of Mechatronics Engineering, Federal University Otuoke.
We are asked to raise a tower with the aim of getting the highest height.
And the task is to build the most stable, freestanding, tallest tower ever possible with these materials. You have 5 minutes for planning and 25 minutes for execution. It shouldn't be blown easily by any little vibration. Anyone that has all this has the full marks for today's challenge.
My team worked on it. We worked on it actually, and then we are looking at getting a better base that will carry the height we intended. We made the best of the base, and then at the slightest of time, we couldn't finish it up. So it was actually challenging to us. It gave us the opportunity to think as a team, put up our ideas together, try out different things and see how they worked. And at the end of it, we learned a lot from it actually.
With the aid of Vision 360, we're able to get the CAD model. We also ran simulations. Those simulations generated the GMM code. So we first of all did the programming of the CNC machine with the aid of the CAD software. So the two parts, the tools, the working principle, the grooving, we actually did 2 models. So this model, after getting it done on the CAD software, we export the G and M code file. This G and M code file now was then fed to the CNC machine. The CNC machine is given a material. We are all given a material. Each team, we are given a material. So the G and M code file is run on the CNC machine with our workpiece. So it was really thrilling because the experience was eye-opening, because CNC machines and all these advanced technology is something we normally learn in school, or we hear of in school, or see in YouTube videos. But seeing it firsthand was a very nice experience. So we are very glad.
From the way the engineering skill is structured in our schools, it is very difficult to produce an engineering graduate that has the capability to meet standards. That is to say that you can't see an engineering graduate that can easily come up as an engineering graduate and as well open up a firm and begin to do well.
Please, I'll plead for you to support FPO, please support us. We need your vote, we need your support. Honestly, we promise to do our best to solve our challenge. We promise to do our best to solve more of the most difficult problem we're facing in Nigeria. So we need your vote. Please support Federal University. Thank you and God bless you.